Hello everybody, if you're having an issue with your contact form 7 on a WordPress site and it constantly spins on a Safari browser, then this fix will probably work for you. Now on an Edge, Chrome and also on Firefox it works fine, it's only Safari. So I figured out how to fix this and I'm going to show you right now. Now to show you an example, what's happening is once you fill out the form, you see the spinning wheel at the bottom here. You just keep spinning and nothing ever happens. So what you need to do is you need to go to your WordPress site, go to editor, this one right here. Now go to the contact form 7 plugin, select it from the list here and select. Now you see further down this line here where it's got to do with JavaScript and JS. Change this one from true to false. Make sure you save it. Once it's saved, go back to the site, reload it, and let's try again. Just fill out the form, and then once you hit send, you will see that the message was successfully sent. All you need to do is just confirm that. You scroll down here, I'll show you now that it's confirmed, it's green box and it's sent. Hope this video helped.